Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside.
Alright, so the first part was a voiceover. This part might be a voiceover, depending on how I feel. So, finish washing my hair. We finna blow dry it. The worst part ever. I don't know if I'm speed it up or let it be extra time. I might speed it up because I know this is gonna take forever. I'm gonna see if I wanna cut my hair, if I wanna leave it alone. I know I'm gonna cut my ends, but I'm talking about like an actual cut. But let me start talking and we finna get straight into it. I will show y'all the kind of blow dry I use, the kind of roller brush, but baby, I don't know the names. Sorry. But I'm finna look stupid when I take this off, so not too much on me, but I'm finna look like a whole catfish, I ain't even gonna lie. Oh, I'm finna look like, oh my god, I don't even want to put this part in the video. Cause I'm finna look a mess, like.
Gotta roll over to you, gotta give her release. Spread your legs down, I'm going out to eat. The raw sounds on the rock, I be sleeping.
Let's get to it.
I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
A claps. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, cause shorty stay with.
Alright, this side blew out. Now we have to do these other 4 sections. That took 13 minutes.
Calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
A claps.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you I'm trapping, but I know
something up. Tripping. And this might get sped up or cut up because I'm playing some music and I want my part right here. So, and it's gonna get curved. I want my part right there. I think this one. No, I want it a little deeper. Alright. That's my part. So I'm gonna clip this part up. My head is so huge. And it's raining, so I really don't know why I'm doing this like a dummy, but I ain't going nowhere anyways. I'm in the house. Should I speed this up? I'm not speed it up. Oh my god, it's me. But I'm gonna listen to music and I can't get copyrighted, so it's gonna get chopped up. Okay, let me finish for real.
I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Wet a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, you was a bitch, cause I ran off with your shit.
Am I gonna like this? I hope so.
Red, white blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it while you get deal. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk.
I got 5K in my pocket though.
I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. Bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block it, watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drawn, got a nigga down with it.
How come? Finna burn the fuck out my head. Make sure I'ma have 50 on me, some shit like this. No cap! No cap! What it say? It's a local world, bitch! Let's see what I mean. Nigga, you was all I need. Nigga, you was all I had. Nigga never go out bad. I'ma step on shit like loco, bitch! We the ones who got our young niggas out here tight.
Murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck, I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck, pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up, your bitch.
I don't even know why I'm doing my hair. I don't have no reason. Yeah, this is my shit. I don't care how old this song gets. This is my shit.
On the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides.
What it say? They hear how they want, we still gon' come and see. Look at that forehead. Let's not even get too much into that. But yeah, this is the finished product. I don't even like my edges for it, but it's gonna do because I don't even want that right there no more. It's kind of throwing me out. But yeah, it's gonna have to do because I'm not redoing it. So this is my hair. I want my bang to grow. Length check. Let's do a length check. I'm gonna come back to this video at the end of 2023. Oh my god, I look so pretty. Ah! And this is my hair. Get into it. And I'm really moving. Yeah. It's cute or whatever. Okay. This is the cutest my silk hair thing came out in a long time. So I'm happy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos from me. The real one. Theresa Ancaria. The real Risa. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in my next video. Until then, love y'all. Be safe and stay blessed. And it's gonna forever be a local world. As long as I'm alive. Yeah. Bye.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.